Hey, how is everyone doing today? Welcome back to another video. And today, what I have for everyone is my fit and sound demo with the Apple AirPods Pro first generation truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds. So today in this video, if I don't lose my audio this time, I'm going to give y'all a fitting demonstration and talk about how I feel the overall fit and comfort level of these earbuds are. And then I'm going to give y'all two audio sample tests to the best of my ability. And I'm also going to tell you guys how I feel about the overall sound quality, the volume, and the bass of these earbuds, which I'll be sure to reiterate in my full review. And basically, these are coming from the full review because I recorded these videos a little out of order today. But that's what we're going to be covering in this video here today. I hope everyone finds this video helpful. And without further ado, let's begin. So starting off here, talking about the overall fit of the AirPods Pro first generation, I have to say the fit on these is really good. Now, for reference, I actually have the large earbud tips on my right earbud, and then I have the medium earbud tips on my left earbud. I couldn't quite find the right fit for the left earbud, so the left earbud kind of moves around a little bit depending on what I'm doing, but the right earbud is super solid no matter what I'm doing. So in terms of the fit, I would have to say the fit on these is just really good across the board. But if your ears are a similar structure or style to mine, you may want to invest in third-party earbuds. So turning to my left, giving y'all a nice shot of the right earbud here, y'all can see what that looks like. And then turning to my right, giving y'all a shot of the left earbud here. Y'all can see what that looks like as well. And then also, I'll be sure to throw up some B-roll of a close-up of the charging cases and the earbuds so y'all can get a nice close-up of how the earbuds and charging cases look. Somewhere in the video, I'll throw that up. But talking about the overall fit and giving y'all a shot and demonstration of the fitting, that is what it looks like. Okay, and that's how I feel about the overall fit. So overall, I feel the fit on these and comfort level on these is really good. And then you can see from a nice front profile, you can see how they stick out of my ears. Okay, definitely noticeable when you have AirPods in. Definitely. All right, so that goes over the fitting demonstration. Now let's get into the audio samples. Let's go. So up first here, we're going to do a leakage test. Okay, now for reference, I do have the earbuds connected up to my Pixel 6a here today. That was the only way that I can record this video because these earbuds do have ear detection sensors and you can't turn them off in iOS. But if you connect up the earbuds to an Android device, they're automatically disabled. So in order for me to record this video, I did indeed have to hook it up to an Android device, but it is what it is. But I do have the AirPods Pro first generation connected up to my Pixel 6a. I have the volume set to about 65%. Now, one thing that I noticed is that over time, they did start to develop some distortion and statickiness in the left earbud. So I'm actually thinking about doing a return or getting a replacement, or maybe just getting a refund altogether and moving on to something else. I'll let you guys and gals know what I decide to do in the full review, which should be out later today as well. But that's one thing that I noticed. That's what I have the volume set to. I'll have all the B-roll like I always do for these videos thrown up in post. So check that out when it goes up on the screen. And without further ado, let's get into the first of two audio samples. Let's get into this leakage test. So let me go ahead and push play. And for reference, the microphone is less than a foot away from my mouth. So if any leakage comes off of the earbuds, the microphone should be able to easily pick it up. So here we go. Just quick reference. Let me push play now. Let me stop talking. Here we go. Okay, I gotta stop right here. Yeah, that distortion is like really bad, yo. Let me see if I drop it lower than 65. That distortion is like, well, let me try this again. Okay, so yeah, the distortion goes away, but I have to keep the volume under 65. But yeah, I'll know when I watch the video back in post if there was any leakage. But you guys and gals, let me know if the microphones picked up any leakage down below in the comments. That being said, before we get into the final audio sample test, I give y'all a sound sample to the best of my ability. I just want to talk about how I feel about the overall sound quality, volume, and bass of the AirPods Pro first generation. Now, in terms of sound quality, okay, if it wasn't for that distortion, the sound quality on these would be top notch. But because I ran into that distortion at any volume higher than 65%, I have to downgrade the sound quality to just really good. Okay? This just could be my particular set of earbuds. I probably developed a defect. Who knows? But I've seen via research that this is a common thing that happens with AirPods. So it is what it is. But the overall sound quality on these is really good in my opinion. The overall volume of these is really good as well. Anything above 50%, I can drown out my surroundings and fully immerse myself in whatever I want to do with the earbuds. And if I need to make it even better, I could turn on ANC. The ANC with these earbuds is really good as well. So good stuff there. The overall volume on these is really good. Now, talking about the overall base of these earbuds, this is where I feel these earbuds fell a little bit short. The bass on these earbuds is just a little soft. I wish it was more punchy. And then the fact that I'm getting that distortion from one side is making it even worse. So the overall bass on these is just okay to good at best. Okay? I could only review and give y'all my opinions on what I have in front of me. This is my experience. This is what I have to tell you guys. So talking about the sound quality, the volume, and the bass across the board, I'd have to say it's just really good across the board. Okay? Okay. So now let me rewind the track and let me attempt to give y'all an audio sample to the best of my ability, and then we'll wrap this video up. Okay, so let me go ahead and push play. And now I'm going to take the earbuds out and hold them up to the mic. Here we go. And I'm going to do this for about 1 minute, starting now. Ten seconds. And time. Okay, let's drop it back in. And let's push pause. Okay, so that, guys and gals, does it for today's video. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed today's video, and I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. Also, stay tuned because I will be dropping the full review for the AirPods Pro first generation today as well. And also, if you'd like to see any more of my extended coverage, check out the links located down below in the video description. This way, if you'd like to know anything else about the AirPods Pro, all my video coverage should be linked up down below as well. And that being said, if this video piqued your interest and you guys and gals would like to know where you can pick up the AirPods Pro for yourself at some really great prices, all of my affiliate links will be available down below in the video description as well. And if you decide to make your purchase using those affiliate links, I do get a small percentage of commission that I do put back into the channel, and that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So that makes the video description and those affiliate links a win-win for everyone, in my opinion. And the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Now, recording this video here today, I am using a combination of the front and rear-facing cameras on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. Today's video was recorded in 1080p at 30 FPS, and we do have Bluetooth audio hooked up. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality. Please also let me know what you think of the overall audio quality down below in the comments. As always, all your feedback is greatly appreciated. I hope everyone is having a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We're out of here. Peace. Boy, we got a bunch of editing to do today, boy. I'll catch you guys and gals in the next one. Have a good one. We're out of here. Peace.